Guys, we're back. It's windy and miserable out there. You guys know how I hate the wind. Anyway, we're going to do the little dog off-leash recall. So we've added the little puppy to the group. And he's definitely trying to get me, Susan. So I'm going to show you. We had another video. I think I sent you the video about the puppy training, mouthing, and biting. If he tries to start chomping on me, I'm going to do just what, you know, a bigger, older dog would do if he does that. So things have been going good. We haven't had any accidents, but it's been a lot of work. This is Madison. She just added here to the group was there for today. So anyway, and I've got the pagers on all of them except for that little Madison. We don't have the sound box on, but you know that I'm doing it concurrently with Command. And then Skylar, we got the little rope on just to help guide him, you know, because you know how he gets confused and doesn't know which way to go, so we're using that as a little guide for him. Alright, so let's just wheel around. Oh, I see little Madison likes the treats. Look at that cute little dog. Over here into this. Molly! Oh, you just want food. I see. You're just the biggest little pig around. Molly! Molly! Molly, you're fast as the wind. We're going to have to try to find Molly's old hound that she came from. They had the paperwork and she was sitting there, had a picture of her and she had her ears back and said, "Oh, I'm so scared," and da-da-da-da-da. Not anymore! Skylar! Skylar! Good, good. I'm going to try walking back towards the gate just as a distraction. Any other time they'd be running all over. Do that, you guys. This stuff is at least sturdy. Skylar! Good! 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 Oh, I feel like a dog whisperer. My little cat. Oh, is it all cute? Alright, maybe just try walking back by the gate there. This before, but she has the aggression issues. So if you continue to do that, then what you can do, Oliver! Oh, good. Oh, he actually ran that time. For him, that was a big, and we found out he really wasn't very good about coming before. Oh. Alright guys, that's probably good for now, but more updates soon. See ya.